Children, now we are moving to the next type of question in fraction. That is, reduce the fraction 36 by 72 by division. So, in the previous question, we discussed how to reduce a fraction by using HCF, isn't it? So, here we are reducing this fraction using division. Okay? So, look children. So, the question is 36 by 72, isn't it? Now, here you have to check which is the number we can use to divide both 36 and 72. So here you can see 36 and 72 both are even numbers. Both are even numbers, isn't it? So you can divide these numbers by 2, right? Yeah. So 36 divided by 2 and 72 divided by 2. And one thing you have to remember, use the same number to divide both numerator and denominator. Okay, so 36 divided by 2 is 18 and 72 divided by 2 is 36. Okay children, now 18 by 36, this is not in the lowest form because 18 and 36 both can be divided again by using which number? By using 2, isn't it? So you can apply 2 again, that is 18 divided by 2 is 9 and 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay, so we got 9 by 18 as the next fraction. Now you have to simplify 9 and 18. Children, do you know in which table we will get 9 and 18 both? In the table of 9. So you can apply 9 here. So 9 divided by 9 and 18 divided by 9. So 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18. So 1 by 2 is the fraction. Now we cannot simplify this one because this one is now in its simplest form, isn't it? So 1 by 2 is the simplest form of 36 by 72. Is it clear children? So this is the way to reduce the fraction using division. Okay, the same question you can divide by using HCF also. How? That we learn by taking the HCF of these two numbers. After taking the HCF, you can divide both numerator and denominator by that HCF. Then you will get the simplest form. So here you have to think in which table you will get this number or which one you can apply to divide these numbers. And this way you can apply and you can reach to the lowest term. Is it clear children? Okay. Now we are moving to next type of questions. That is comparison. Comparing fractions. Okay. So compare the following fractions. Look children, we know there are two types of comparison. That is the comparison of like fractions we learned and the comparison of unlike fractions also. Right? The comparison of like fractions are very easy because the like fractions are having same denominators. That's why we can compare the fraction by checking the numerators. That is, look at the numerator only 4 and 6. Which is greater? 6 is greater. So you can put the symbol like this because 6 is greater. That's why the mouth of the symbol is pointing to, opening to 6. Okay. So 4 by 10 is less than 6 by 10. We are doing it like this because both are having same denominator. These are like fractions. Keep it in your mind children. These are like fraction. That's why we are checking the numerator and we are putting the symbol. But if a question is given as unlike fraction, that is if a question for comparison is given as unlike fraction, then you have to take the cross product and then check which is the bigger one. That fraction will be the bigger fraction. Okay. So take the cross product, that is 21. So you can write over here 21 into 2. 21 you can multiply with 2. 21 into 2. 21 into 2 is, what is that children? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That is 42. Okay. Then multiply 3 with 5. That is right over here. 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15. Look children, here we got 42, here we got 15. Which is greater? 42 is greater. So this fraction will be the greater one. 21 by 5 is greater than 3 by 2. Okay, this is the comparison of unlike fraction. Now, some more unlike fractions are given here. How to find out? By taking the cross product. First multiply 11 with 8. So, write 11 into 8. Right over the first fraction. Then 5 into 4. Right over the second fraction. Okay. Then 11 into 8 is 88. 5 into 4 is 5 4s are 20. So look children, here we got 88, here we got 20. Which is greater? 88 is greater. So 11 by 4 is greater. You can put a symbol like this. Now look at the next one. Here also you can multiply the first number by 15. By taking the cross product, you will get 3 into 15. Okay. 3 into 15 is 5 3s are 15. 5 1 carry over. 3 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 45. 3 into 15 is 45. Then multiply 8 with 9. That is right over here. 8 9s are. What is 8 9s are? 72. Okay. Now look children, which is greater, 45 or 72? Yes, 72 is greater. So you can put a symbol like this. So 8 by 15 will be greater than 9 by 7. Clear children? This is the way of comparing unlike fractions. And for the comparison of like fraction, you can just check the numerators only, and then put the symbol. But for the comparison of unlike fraction, you take the cross product and check which is greater, and that one will be the greater. Okay children? Okay? Practice it clearly. Now we are moving to the next type of question, that is addition of fractions. So children, we learn different types of additions. That is addition of like fractions, addition of unlike fractions, addition of mixed fractions. Isn't it? Okay. So let's discuss each type of questions. The first one, 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10. So children, look here, both are like fractions. Both are having same denominators. Isn't it? So addition of like fractions are very easy because you just add the numerators and write the same denominator. Okay. So that is 3 plus 4 by 10. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 by 10. Got it? Okay. So we can easily find out the answer because these are like fractions. Now we are moving to next type of fraction. Next addition type, that is 4 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Here you can see these fractions are having different denominators. That means these are unlike fractions. Isn't it? Yeah. So here addition of unlike fractions. Dear children, I already taught you two ways to do the addition of unlike fraction. One is by LCM method and other one is cross product method. Isn't it? So here we are doing it by using the cross product method. Okay. So look. First you can multiply 4 with 10. Then put the plus symbol. Then multiply 1 with 15. Okay. So 4 into 10 plus 1 into 15. That is 4 into 10 plus 1 into 50. That you can write in the numerator. And then in the denominator, you can multiply these two denominators. That is 15 into 10. Okay. 4 into 10 is 40. 1 into 15 is 15. 15 into 10 is 150. So add these two together. 40 plus 15 is 55 by 150. Okay. So here we got the answer. So okay, once again children, for adding the unlike fractions, you can take the cross product and add. So 4 into 10 plus 1 into 15 divided by 15 into 10. Okay, keep it in your mind. And then here we got 55 by 150 as answer. And this one we can simplify to its lowest term. So here I divided both 55 and 150 by the number 5, because 5 is a common divisor for these two numbers, isn't it? So 55 by 5 is 11 and 150 by 5 is 30. So 11 by 30 is the simplest form. Okay children. So if you are writing up to 55 by 150 only, then you will get, then also you will get the answer, you will get the marks, because it's also right. And finding the simplest form is the better option. Okay, you can after getting this answer, you can simplify it to the simplest form. Okay, do like this. So this is the addition of unlike fractions. Now we are moving to the important one, that is addition of mixed fractions. Addition of mixed fractions. So children, in the previous classes we learned about the conversion of mixed fraction, isn't it? How to convert a mixed fraction to improper. We know before adding these two fractions, we should convert it into improper fraction. Then only you can add, isn't it? So how we can do? The conversion is whole into denominator plus numerator by denominator. This is the general form for dividing, or general form of the conversion of a mixed fraction. Okay, so whole, we know of mixed fraction is having a whole part and a fraction part, isn't it? So first you take whole, that is here it is 2. So 2 into denominator, here which is the denominator? 6 is the denominator. So 6 you can write, then plus, put the plus symbol, then which is the numerator? 5, that is 5 you can write here. And this much, that is whole into denominator plus numerator, this is our new numerator. And then you can draw the division line and write the denominator 6. Okay, right here. So 2 into 6 plus 5 by 6. This is the conversion of the first mixed fraction. Now we are going to convert the second mixed fraction. Okay, here also whole into, here the whole number is 3. So 3 into denominator is 6. So write 6 plus numerator is 2. So write 2. Then the whole divided by denominator is 6. Okay, so 3 into 6 plus 2 by 6. This is the conversion of the second mixed fraction. So when you will simplify, you will get 6 2s are 12, and 12 plus 5 17. 17 by 6 is the first mixed improper fraction. Then 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 20. 20 by 6 is the second fraction. Okay children, now look, now these two fractions we can easily add, isn't it? Look, 17 by 6 plus 20 by 6. Now these two fractions are like fractions. So as same as of this first question, 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10, you can add 17 by 6 plus 20 by 6. Add the numerators together and write the same denominator. Okay, so 17 plus 20 by 6. 17 plus 20 is 37 by 6. Okay, so this way you can answer. And in some cases, the denominator of the fractions will not be the same. Okay, and there you can apply this type of addition. You can cross multiply and then you can find out the answer like this. Okay, so here the denominators are same, that's why we just added the numerators and wrote the same denominator. Clear children? Okay. Now look at the next type of question. Here two mixed fractions are given, but both mixed fractions are not having the same denominator. Okay, so let's check how to answer this type of questions. So first part is, we know we have to convert these mixed fractions to improper fraction. So first mixed fraction is 2 3 by 5. So convert it. We know whole is 2. 2 into denominator plus, that is 5, plus numerator, that is 3. Okay, 2 into 5 plus 3, that is whole into denominator plus numerator, the whole divided by denominator. We converted it. And then next one also you can convert, that is whole into 3 into denominator 7 plus 2, the whole divided by 7. Okay, here the symbol is plus. Okay, that's why in between these two fractions we are putting the plus symbol. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, so 13 by 5 is the simplified form. Then 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2 23, so 23 by 7 is the simplest form of the mixed fraction 3 2 by 7. Okay, now we can do the addition. Okay, so addition here we cannot do numerator plus numerator. Why? Because here the denominators are different. So take the cross product and add. Okay, 13 into 7 plus 23 into 5, and the whole divided by 5 into 7. Okay, then 13 into 7 is 91, 23 into 5 is 115, then 5 into 7 divided by 5 into 7, 35. So after simplifying, 91 plus 115 is 206 by 35. So here we got the answer. If you can simplify these fractions, you can simplify again. Okay, so here we got the answer 206 by 35, because we cannot simplify it anymore. Okay children, it's clear. So this is the addition of mixed fraction with different denominators. Okay, so go through this type of questions also.